Hi everyone. Right, thought I'd do a review on this Stanley heater I bought just for my little garage. So yeah, it's a 2 kilowatt Stanley. Basically showing it's you can use it in a garage, a workshop, a workstation, under your table, and yeah. So basically that's the heater. Says it has 2 heat settings, fan only settings, and an adjustable thermostat. Right, let's get it open and have a look. So, there's the heater. So, there's a Stanley heater. Pivots a bit, so it's got some settings there, if you can see that. So it's got an off function, a fan only function, then 1000, which must be lukewarm, and 2000, so a lot hotter. And you've got a plus and minus to turn the fan up and down, I think. And on the front of it, you've got a caution indicator in red and a yellow power light. Looks like a speaker. But yeah, I like the little stand it's on, so you can position it, you can pivot it. So yeah, it's cool, I like it. So right, I'll turn it on and we'll try it. Got an extension. Right. Turn the plus on. So it's just on the fan symbol on there. This is giving out some cold air. Turn it to 1000. It's giving out lukewarm air. And 2000. It's getting warmer now. It's getting a lot hotter. Really hot, actually. That is really hot. Fan could have been done with being a bit more powerful. It's alright if you're close enough to it, but in a warmer area, but the fan could have been just a little bit more powerful. But that is really hot in 2000. Turn it back to 1000. So yeah, if you had it under your table, I think 1000 would be alright, but that's still pretty warm now. And then we've got the fan on there, without the heating element. That just gives out room temperature, and that turns it off basically. That's it. That's what it looks like on the back of it. Thanks for watching. Bye.